Good morning. It's February the 25th, or 26th actually, Friday. I wanted to give you guys an idea of how much snowfall we got this time around. Just as the other snow melted, we're back to snow again. Take a look. This is the Sailor Ski community where we reside in Staten Island, New York. And it's approximately 7:30 in the morning. About to drive the kids to daycare. And there you have it, guys. This should be a good idea for your understanding of the amount of snow that fell today. And by the way, it is still snowing. It's a bit chilly, it's a bit windy. It's continuing to snow. So I'm trying to I'm trying to get down to check out the car, see how much digging I gotta do. But just take a look at my foot disappearing in there. Yeah, we got at least a foot of snow, maybe more. Alright. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna have an issue getting out. This is a 4x4. So, well, let's see. It's got one of the best four-wheel drive systems on the market. Let me just clear the snow off a bit. It's not gonna be that easy clearing the snow because it's actually ice. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of work here to so at least I could see. See? Yeah, not so bad, guys. Not so bad. After all, I was expecting much worse, to be honest. It's important to clean the lights off as well, so that people could actually see. Right. Let's do this side real quick. Well, alright, I'm just gonna continue on doing this, and then I'll start taping the continuation of me trying to get out, alright? So this is part 1. Alright, just watch out for part 2 coming up.